Isn't network marketing one of those pyramid schemes? Pyramid schemes are illegal. Network marketing is legal, moral, and ethical type of business. Period. The only thing that could come close for it to be similar is the shape or the structure of the organization. It resembles that of a pyramid. Other than that, pyramid and network marketing are not the same. They're two worlds apart different. Pyramid is simply based on recruiting people and using them as their basis of making money. Their products, if there are even any, are overpriced and of very poor quality. In pyramid schemes, the moment you stop recruiting people, you stop making money. The only people who earn are the people who joined in first. In short, pyramid schemes solely use money or people as their means of earning. There are a lot of people who are arrested of putting up illegal pyramids. Network marketing, on the other hand, is used to create an organization of people who uses, retails, and promote the efficacy of the company's product lines. It merely uses the network of people in order to promote the products and marketing plan in the fastest, most economical way. It applies the old-style word-of-mouth advertising instead of displaying the products at the mall or paying huge amounts of money for commercial ads and the like. And unlike the pyramid schemes, legitimate and great network marketing companies give us a chance for the late newcomers to overtake their uplines or the ones who joined the business earlier in terms of income because of the fair marketing plan. In short, network marketing is a product-based industry and has been a powerful business model for more than 6 years now. In the Philippines, if you are a marketing student of its top universities, network marketing is being offered as an elective course. In the United States, you can earn a degree by studying network marketing.